What if I told you there are websites right now paying ordinary people to work from home using just no laptop and internet connection? And no, I'm not talking about scams, pyramid schemes, or become a millionaire overnight nonsense. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 real websites that people are using to make money online from home in 2026. Some are beginner friendly, some can become full-time income, and a few of them barely require any experience at all. So whether you're a student looking for side income, unemployed, or just tired of commuting every day, this video could give you a real starting point. Make sure to watch to the very end because the last few websites have the highest income potential. So yeah, let's get into it. And the number one website in today's list is Upwork. Upwork is one of the biggest freelance platforms in the world. Businesses come here looking for people to help them with writing, graphic designs, video editing, virtual assistants, coding, social media management, and basically anything digital. The best part is you don't need to be an expert to start. A lot of beginners begin with simple services like data entry, Canva design, caption writing, or AI assisted content creation. Once you complete a few jobs and get reviews, you can slowly raise your prices. Some freelancers on Upwork make about $100 every single month, while others make six figures yearly. So when starting, just focus on one simple skill and create a clean profile with a friendly photo and clear description. The second platform in today's list is the popular Fiverr. Unlike Upwork, where clients post jobs, Fiverr lets you create a service listing called a gig. For example, I will edit TikTok videos for you, I will design a logo, I will write YouTube scripts, or I will create AI voiceovers for your business. And yes, people are making serious money doing this. One thing that makes Fiverr great is how beginner friendly it is. You can even use free AI tools to help you write scripts, generate ideas, create thumbnails, or edit videos faster. The key is choosing services that businesses constantly need. And remember, simple skills done consistently can outperform complicated skills nobody searches for. And then the third website in today's list is user testing. This one is super interesting. User testing pays people to test websites and applications. Companies obviously want feedback before releasing their product, so they pay regular users to help them click through websites, test features, and share honest opinions. Usually, you record your screen, speak your thoughts out loud, and answer a few questions. Some tests only take 10 to about 20 minutes, but this won't make you rich. But it's one of the easiest ways to earn money online with almost no experience. Perfect for beginners. And then the fourth in today's list is Rev. If you're a good listener and can type reasonably fast, Rev could be worth checking out. Rev pays freelancers for transcriptions, captions, and subtitles. Basically, you listen to an audio and then you convert it into text. This type of work is popular because YouTube creators, businesses, and media companies constantly need captions and transcripts. You can work on your own schedule, which makes it flexible for students or part-time workers. And as your speed improves, your earnings can improve too. And then the fifth in today's list is clickworker. Clickworker is another platform that pays people for small online tasks. These tasks can include writing short text, categorizing data, AI training tasks, surveys, or internet research. This is one of those websites where you can start quickly without needing special qualifications. The pay varies depending on the task, but many people use sites like this for an extra income during free time. Think of it as a small task equals small payment, but those payments can add up. The sixth website in today's list is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, also called Turk, works similarly. Businesses upload small digital tasks called HIT, human intelligence tasks. These can include surveys, image labeling, moderation, categorization, and AI-related tasks. Some tasks only take minutes. Now, to be honest, the pay can be low at first, but experienced users often become selective and complete higher-paying tasks efficiently. This is usually best as side income, not full-time income. Still, it's a real way people earn online from home. And then the seventh website in today's video is Cambly. Cambly pays people to talk with English learners online. And here's the interesting part: you don't necessarily need teaching experience. Many students simply want casual conversation practice with native or fluent English speakers. You basically log in, accept calls, and chat with people around the world. This is especially good if you enjoy talking, have patience, and want flexible work hours. Plus, you can work from almost anywhere. And then the eighth website in today's list is Appen. Appen focuses heavily on AI related remote jobs. Companies need humans to help train artificial intelligence systems. That means tasks like evaluating search results, labeling images, recording voice samples, or reviewing data. As AI grows, platforms like Appen continue creating remote opportunities. Some projects are short term, while others can last for months. And because AI is expanding so fast, this category of online work is becoming more popular every single year. And then the ninth in today's list is Toptal. Now, let's move into higher income territory. Toptal is for skilled freelancers, developers, designers, finance experts, and consultants. Unlike beginner platforms, Toptal has a strict screening process. But if you qualify, clients here often pay premium rates. This is more for people who already have strong experience, a portfolio, or specialized skills. Still, it's important to know platforms like this exist because remote work isn't only side hustle money anymore. For some people, it becomes a full career. And then the sixth and final site in today's list is Teachable. Teachable is different because instead of getting paid hourly, you create digital products. People use Teachable to sell courses, tutorials, guides, coaching, and educational content. And no, you don't need to be a word expert. You can teach fitness, cooking, editing, gaming, freelancing, social media, or any skill people want to learn. The amazing thing about digital products is scalability. You create the course once and potentially sell it again and again and again and again, which is basically a passive income for yourself. That's why many creators eventually move from freelancing into digital products. Now, before you jump into this website, there's something important you need to understand. Working from home still requires effort. A lot of people quit too early because they expect instant money. The truth is, your first gigs may pay little, your first applications may get rejected, and your first month may feel slow. That's normal. The people who succeed online are usually the ones who stay consistent, improve one skill, and keep applying even when results are slow at first. Also, never pay random people upfront for guaranteed online jobs. Legitimate platforms pay you, not the other way around. So those are actually the 10 websites that pay you to work from home in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which website you want to try out first. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next highly informative video.